Life is a game, play it. Life is a journey, make it. Life is a destiny, fulfill it. Hey guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Welcome back to our channel. How is everyone doing today? I hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Appreciate you as usual. If this is your first time, please remember to subscribe, hit this video, give it a like, and always remember to share our videos. Thank you all so much. To all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you. Thank you for your love and support over the years. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So today, the market I can't sell today. I have a hair video that I want to show you, and that's why I'm wearing this hair turban, which kind of looks really nice, if I can say so. Yeah, I kind of like the color. It's really nice. Yeah. But I have something I want to show you for the ladies and the gentlemen. You guys know we are all about switching it up. Switching it up on this platform. So I've got hair from Sterly. This is from Sterlyhair.com. They sent me this wig and I'm going to just unveil it and show you what it looks like. And I'm going to be wearing it and styling it as well to show you what it looks like. Yeah. Comes in this pack. And I must say, this hair stuff, you know, the hair bag, really, really useful for storing your wigs. Very, very useful. Because sometimes you just find out that your hair is all over the house. So these bags are really useful. I've got lashes from them. They sent me these lashes. You can see the ones I'm wearing now. On fleek. On fleek. We don't send them, oh. We don't send anybody. Anyone who would like, now we they wear. To call anybody. Who don't like them? Now you know what to do. If you don't like them, transformer they there. Go organ. We there here. Go say who, no wahala. And I've got this is the hair the hair band that you wear to protect your hair before you wear the wig. It's usually two. I'm going to actually use one today. Yeah, so quite simple. Yeah, just put it on your hair before you put the wig. So I'll show you in a minute. And then we've got the hair. Okay, this is the hair. The long, I call this like multi-functional wig. That's what I'm going to call this wig today. It's multifunctional. See, it's got waves. It's got deep waves. So it's this type that's got deep waves. The waves are just coily, but not too coily. It's deep waves. Yeah. This is how it looks in the pack. This is how it looks. And the inside has got the clips as usual. I've just, what I've done is that I've already trimmed it and I've already, the edges, like I always tell you, because the cloth is wide, so I always just color the edges, these edges to make it blend in with my skin. That's what I do. It's got the strap here to hold it down. And you can see it's got lace, both in the front and it's got lace on the back. It had the straps, the four stripes as well on the four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 to hold it down when you wear it so that you can secure it. Because trust me, for those of us that are wig lovers here, your greatest fear when you have a wig on is that you're going to enter Okada on a rainy or windy day and it will just make it's not going to be funny at all. So you always need to secure your wigs. I prefer to secure mine with this strap here because when you secure it like this and you hold it, it just holds down your hair. Depends on the kind of hair you have. Some people have they've can't roll their hair, so their hair is big. My hair, I've cut my hair, so my hair is short. I haven't got much hair. So now let me wear it so you can see what it looks like. So this is the wig cap. I'll put the wig cap on now. I'll just put it on top of my short cut hair. I dye my hair, but the dye is fading now very quickly. So I'm thinking of what to do now. Women, wàhálà wá pọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Wàhálà wá pọ̀ jù. Ó pọ̀. This is me wearing it now. This is it. This is push it in, and then okay. I don't always. So this is it. I'm just gonna brush it, not too much at all. It's so full. Look at how full it is. It's really lots of hair. There's loads of hair in it, so it's quite full, which I like. Not too full and not too scanty. Yeah, so mm, yeah, this is how it looks. Really, really sexy, full kind of wig. I like the fact that the waves are not too they are not too thick, but they are not too loose. I brushed it slightly, so it's come down. It's just filled out now. Yeah, this is how it looks. So you can put the parting. I usually favor side parting, but if you are someone that likes the center parting, you can also do that. But I'm just gonna leave it in the side one. You can see I'm struggling a little bit because I'm doing it on camera, and the camera is kind of the other way around. So it's not like a mirror. Perhaps I should have had a mirror here. Yeah, that's a note to myself for next time. Have a mirror here. So yeah, but it's quite simple. I just bring the lace out. Like I said, it came with a lace. I've trimmed the lace out, and yeah, yeah, that's it. Sits really, really nicely. It sits rather nicely on my head. That's it. This is how it looks. Let me show you the back so you can see. That is quite full. You can see. Yeah, it's full body wig. Sits nicely over your shoulders. You can see it. So you can pack it up if you want to. Some people like to pack. You can pack it up like this if you want to. Yeah. If I wanted to pack it, I can pack it like this. Still looks really, really nice. Oh my God. Kind of look nice like this even if I don't want it to be. So that's why I say this wig is kind of more multifunctional. That's why I call it. So if you wanted to wear it for a place like work now, for instance, you know you don't want to look so flamboyant going to work. So you could pack it like this and hold it with a band. And if you're going to a party, you want to look, you know, you want to look all glamorous, then you leave it out. Yeah. You can also hold it up if you wanted to hold it up with hair clip. Just put a hair clip here, hold it up, and you're good to go. It's different fresh styling. You can style it however way you want. So it's quite nice. I like it. And the texture is so silky. You can see it's human hair, 100% human hair. So I like the fact that it's not too full, but it looks full, but it's not heavy. So if you wanted it, I like it this way because of what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a kind of a casual top. I'm going to leave it like this because I like the look, but anyhow you like it. So this wig is from Sterlyhair. This is Sterlyhair. So if you like the look, you want to replicate this look, hmm, I like this one the best. One, let's say, let me show you three different looks. So there's one, the flamboyant one, this one. This is one look. Another look is number two. Look number two. This is look number two on the side. Yeah, just on the side like this. You just leave it. Or you can hold it with a band. Still looks good. Yeah. And look number three is pack some of it up like this, and you secure it with a band or yeah, like this, like this. Yeah. This is look number three. Look number three. This is more like a conservative kind of look. Some people don't like hair touching their body. I'm like that sometimes. Yeah, so you can also pack it up like this. Let me show you. This one, leave some hair here, leave some hair here. Yeah, leave some hair here, leave some hair here. Both sides, leave some hair, and then pack this one up like this. Yeah, and just clip it. Yeah, see? Yeah. Look number 4. Yeah, so when you do it like this is how it looks at the back. See how it looks? It's really nice. Yeah, it's a very, very lovely wig. This is a lace body wig, 20 inches. It is 20 inches. 20 inches. So it's not short. It's not short at all. It's not too long. It's not too short. I like the fact that the curls are deep wave. Deep waves are always very beautiful. I like this look. Mm? Want to take a selfie? Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's a selfie. Taking a selfie. Yeah. So this hair and other hair like this, different colors, different styles, wigs, hair extensions are all available at sterlyhair.com. If you want to create this look for yourself, you like an everyday look like this that you can also turn into like a fabulous wig to wear to your social functions, your parties, barbecue, name it. It will transform you in minutes. In a matter of minutes, your looks will be transformed. And you know, we like to switch it. We switch it, switch it, switch it, switch it. Yeah. We got to keep switching it because you know what? There's so much. The looks are just too many out there. So sticking to one is not going to cut it. So we switch it up. Yeah. So this hair is available in sterlyhair.com if you like to create any of the looks that I've shown you or you like any other hair. There's a discount I've been given. If you check my description box, I'm also going to pin it in the first comment section. Please subscribe, like this video, and check out this website for fabulous hair like this and many more. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. I love you. Bye, guys.